Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut Ïaroh eksenduk cengkah. Tang bopej mentah buat ufrai dia. Kam no ke cing cencar em. Tip syuk kan long kum no lah dah. Yap sama no mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda beke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na kabenda ka neat.
Kasamla Jessica Karkungor baka kong ridalin parbon kilapan mi ya ka music video kapal ai karteng Rilum Khasi ya kabala penbet penbiang ya ka surjing Rwai bagi kentien jong jing Rwai ya ka kong ridalin perban pal record ya kani ha SNS Imli Music Studio kabadan halumoba opo Shillong la palai pai ba ikani ka music video ha ka apratrik jembang aja panrio the principal jong kasing Claret High Secondary School kadat Shillong ufada CB Koreakos ringkat kajing sakhilang ufada Augustine Hare bat ufada Walter Nevin inangisim benta ha ka music video kikimiki kpa kibahaya ngasam bat kibala syakhat sngoba ya kani ka music video pila ban pen ha ka YouTube channel kapal ai kerteng Jessica Karkungor.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Give us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Rilum Khasi is a Khasi folk song that carries a meaningful message for today's generation. The song speaks about the importance of good living, strong values, unity, and courage in the midst of life's challenges. Inspired by the beauty and the spirit of the Khasi Hills, it encourages people to stand tall without fear, even when difficulties arise, and to continue walking on the path of honesty, respect, discipline, and cooperation. Through its melody and lyrics, the song reminds us that true strength comes not only from bravery, but also from living with kindness, humility, and love for one another. In a time when discipline and moral values are slowly fading among the younger generation, Rilum Khasi calls upon everyone to rebuild a better society by eradicating negative attitudes and nurturing good character. This Khasi pop music is woven with threads of nature, community, and spirituality. It's not only a celebration of Khasi culture and tradition, but also a message of hope and togetherness. That when we stand together, support one another, and rise with unity, we can build a brighter and a stronger future for all. I'm sure this production of this video is a labor of love and a passionate commitment with talent, crafted by talented musicians and artists, the singers, and the creative team of Rilum Khasi, who have poured their hearts into preserving this authenticity of culture and tradition while embracing new innovative ways. Rilum Khasi, the Khasi folk music video, on behalf of all of you, and it is a celebration of our culture and tradition. And once again, my congratulations to the team, the creative team of Rilum Khasi, along with its lead singers, Ms. Rudalin Balbot and Ms. Jessica Harkano. So let us release this video.
Jennifer the cow.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much, Rafi Thei Maya Ramarir.
This side? Yes.
Mark C.A. Kharkumar. Vanessa Lindsay. Gabriela Nicole Perban.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.